We're studying about aquatics.
Mulinesa, we call it muli.
Ikan gagal ya ikan. Ini di Kaliban.
So, I will start and people continue to come. Okay, so now we're inside. Just please don't put the hand on the tank. Don't touch. You're young, you can stand like this. I am old, but even me can stand. Okay, so again, good morning. We are here in Mr. Ran Seger Farm. He also teaches aquaculture in ICAT. Maybe you met him. Okay, this is ornamental fish farm. He grows fish for aquariums, and he grows one species of fish. The name is muli. The full name is mulinesa. We call this fish muli. The origin of this fish in the nature is from Central America.
Oke, jadi sekarang kita sudah lihat kita sudah berada di dalam literan punya greenhouse, di mana dia di sini membudidayakan ikan khususnya untuk ornamental, untuk dijual, untuk dipelihara di dalam akuarium. Jadi nama ikan ini mereka sebut umumnya itu
Mulinesa. If you want to read about it in the internet, so you write mulinesa or muli, you'll find M-O-L-L.
Okay, dan from Central America.
Yeah, the origin of the fish. Of course, this fish already born in capture, and they don't know Spanish at all.
Jadi ikan ini dia berasal dari Amerika.
Okay, before I speak, sorry, continue. Can I? Okay, so before I speak little bit about the fish, I want to speak first thing. It's about the building, okay, and the construction of the farm, because this is something that it's common to all the closed system. Okay, of course, every fish needs little bit different things, but first thing I want to speak about little bit about the place itself and how it works.
Oke,
Ini kita bilang ikun.
sekarang dia akan menjelaskan bagaimana